Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to our channel, welcome to our channel. So we're here in Jaco, as the thumbnail and title told you. We're gonna do a raw walkthrough of Jaco. It's our first time here. We've actually never been here, so it's all new to us as well. So just gonna walk through, like I said, raw walkthrough, just kind of just explain some of the stuff that I see as I walk. Just starting on the north end here by La Artisanal Bread and Coffee. It's a little coffee shop. And then yeah, we're gonna walk south. It's the street that runs parallel to the beach. So yeah, come along for a walk, check out what Jaco's like. Hola, ¿todo bien? ¿Todo bien? All right, so we're gonna try and walk out of the street a little bit without getting hit, just so you can see both sides of the street. But yeah, it looks like a lot of restaurants and stuff like that. So right away, the vibes that it gives me is Playas del Coco, but on steroids. A lot bigger, a lot busier. All right, so when a lot of people do research on Costa Rica, Jaco is one of the first places that pop up, which is too bad because it's really far from what Costa Rica is all about. This is a party town. This is a place people come to vacation. Even people from San Jose, they come here on the weekends, party. So a lot of that going on. Apparently the beach is really nice. We're not going to go there today, but apparently it's nice. A lot of condos, hotels right on the beach. So yeah, again, party town if you're looking to vacation and have like your Cancun, quote unquote, of Costa Rica. Little park here. So it's just before 4:30 on a Wednesday, just so you have an idea of what it's like midweek. A lot of places for tours in the area, also golf cart rentals, quad rentals. All right, so there's Good Life, it looks like, a Pizza Hut, KFC, so you're gonna have your North American stuff here as well. A little strip mall here with stuff in it. pet store with a vet. Subway, which you'll find everywhere in Costa Rica. Taco place. Beach is right there. So it's a lot, lots of places to buy clothes and souvenirs. Quite a few restaurants down here, tattoos. There's a gelato place. Pizza place over here. It's crazy how built up this place is. No idea it was this built up. ¿Todo bien?
Aprovechar tus playlists al máximo con Spotify. Puedes escuchar todas las canciones que conocemos una canción. Reprodúcelas a todo volumen y con orgullo, sin interrupciones. Disfrútalo.
Bank right here. It's also an open air shopping center called Jaco Walk. Just kind of skim through here. Sushi place up here. Just heard a macaw up in the tree here. I don't know where it is though. I think it flew off. Got your Goyo, which is like your Best Buy. They're all over the country. So that's more of that open air shopping center. Quite a few stores in there. Shayna's Park down here somewhere, I'm not sure where. So you got car rental places. There was Enterprise and stuff on the other end. You got Avis here. Surf shop on the corner. The gym on the end here. Another side street there. So yeah, there's a few side streets. We're not going to go down them. Just wanted to do the main strip. All right, so that is the main strip of Jaco. Again, it runs parallel with the beach. That's where all it looked like all the restaurants and shopping and stuff is, other than the little side streets. So yeah, it was cool to see it. Again, it was our first time here as well. Just to see, it's crazy how built up it is. Yeah, a lot of restaurants and shopping, like I said. So yeah, if you're again, if you're looking for somewhere to have a lot of action, party, things like that, Jaco's gonna be your place. Coco's similar, it's just smaller. But yeah, again, it's the vibes of Coco, just on steroids. But yeah, so we'll leave this video off here. Hope you guys liked it. Like going for a walk, I'm a little sweaty. I need a drink now, so I will leave it off here. If you do like the video, please leave a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell icon to get notified when we come out with new videos. We'll see you in the next one. Ciao.